Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Agile Transformation Roadmap. Today, we are going to walk through a step-by-step approach to enterprise agility. Whether you are a business leader, a manager, or simply interested in how large organizations evolve, this presentation will outline the journey clearly and concisely. First, let us define what we mean by Agile transformation. It is not just about using new software tools. It is the process of fundamentally shifting an organization's culture and structure. The goal is to enable flexibility, increase speed, and focus deeply on the customer. We are moving from a project mindset to a product mindset, embracing iterative development, and empowering cross-functional teams to deliver value faster. Agile transformation is a journey, and like any journey, it helps to have a map. We can break this down into 5 distinct phases. Phase 1 is assessment and strategy. Phase 2 involves launching pilot teams. Phase 3 is scaling. Phase 4 is enterprise alignment, and finally, Phase 5 is optimization. Let us look at each one in detail. Phase 1 is all about laying the foundation. Before changing anything, you need to understand where you are. This involves assessing your current organizational maturity and, most importantly, defining the why. Why do you want to be agile? You must secure executive sponsorship because without leadership support, the initiative will struggle. Finally, you identify where to start and create a high-level roadmap. Once you have a strategy, you move to Phase 2, pilot teams. Do not try to change the whole company at once. Select a specific project, something important but not a critical crisis. Form a dedicated, cross-functional team with all the skills needed to deliver. Then, invest heavily in training and coaching for this specific group to ensure they succeed and become a model for others. After your pilot teams prove successful, you enter Phase 3, scaling. This is where you expand to more departments. A key strategy here is train the trainer, developing internal experts who can teach others, reducing reliance on expensive external consultants. You also want to establish communities of practice, where people in similar roles, like product owners or developers, can share knowledge across different teams. As you scale, you will hit organizational friction. This leads to Phase 4, enterprise alignment. Agile teams cannot function well if the rest of the company is rigid. Human resources needs to shift reviews from individual to team-based goals. Finance needs to move away from rigid annual budgets to more flexible value stream funding. Even legal and compliance need to integrate into the iterative process. Phase 5 is where the transformation matures. It is about culture and optimization. This is the shift from just doing Agile, like having daily meetings, to being Agile in mindset. The focus is on Kaizen, or relentless improvement. You measure success by outcomes and customer value, not just how many features you built. You create a safe-to-fail environment that encourages innovation. The path is rarely smooth. You will face challenges. Resistance to change is common, especially from middle management who may fear losing control. You might encounter fake agile, where teams go through the motions without the right mindset. Lack of sustained leadership support can kill momentum. And finally, impatience. Remember that cultural transformation takes years, not weeks. To summarize our roadmap, start with a clear why and strong leadership. Begin small with pilot teams to generate quick wins. Scale gradually. Align your supporting departments like human resources and finance, and focus relentlessly on culture. Remember, Agile transformation is a marathon, not a sprint. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.